graphical solution of simultaneous equations. In this module, you will learn how to find graphical solution of simultaneous equations. Let us recall graphs. A graph is a diagrammatical representation displaying the relation between two variables. The position of a point on the graph paper is described by an ordered pair x, y. Also, let us recall the graphical representation of linear equation in two variables. In order to represent a linear equation in two variables, a truth table is constructed for at least three values. This gives us ordered pairs. These ordered pairs, when plotted and joined, form a line. Draw a graph for 2x minus 6y equals 12. Let us first form the truth table. X 3, y minus 1, x 6, y 0, x 9, y 1. Let us plot these ordered pairs. This is the graph of the given equation. Let us now learn about the system of equations. When two or more equations using the same variables are solved simultaneously, we call it a system of equations. The solution of the system of equations is the point that satisfies all the equations. That is, the point of intersection of the linear graphs. This point is in the form of an ordered pair. Let us see the steps involved in solving a pair of simultaneous equations graphically. Step 1. Draw the graph for both the equations on the same graph paper. Step 2. If necessary, that is, if the graphs are not intersecting, extend the linear graphs to intersect at a point. Step 3. Drop perpendiculars from the point of intersection on the x-axis and y-axis. Step 4. Read the coordinates of the point of intersection, which is the solution of the given simultaneous linear equations. Let us solve the system of equations x plus y equals 3 and 2x minus 3y equals 6. First, let us consider the equation x plus y equals 3. This implies y equals 3 minus x. The truth table for the given equation is as follows. The ordered pairs are 0, 3, 3, 0 and 1, 2. Next, let us consider the equation 2x minus 3y equals 6. This implies y equals 2x minus 6 by 3. The truth table for the given equation is as follows. The ordered pairs are 0, minus 2, 3, 0 and minus 3, minus 4. The graph for both the equations is drawn on the same graph. linear graph for x plus y equals 3 and 2x minus 3y equals 6 intersects each other at 3, 0. From the graph, the solution for the equations is 3, 0 or x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. Let us solve another system of equations x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus y equals 1. First, let us consider the equation x plus y equals 5. This implies y equals 5 minus x. The truth table for the given equation is as follows. The ordered pairs are 2, 3, 3, 2 and 1, 4. Next, let us consider the equation 2x minus y equals 1. This implies y equals 2x minus 1. The truth table for the given equation is as follows. The ordered pairs are 1, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 5. From the graph, the solution for the equations is 2, 3 or x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. In this module, you have learned how to find graphical solution of simultaneous equations.